In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a task in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to temporarily stop a task without deleting it, which is perfect when priorities shift or you simply need to free up attention for something more urgent. First, open your Grok account. You can launch the app or access it in your browser, whichever you typically use. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the main workspace or dashboard so you can get to your tasks quickly. Give the page a moment to load fully so all your recent activity is visible. Next, click the icon that takes you to tasks. Depending on your layout, this may look like a clipboard, a checkmark, or a list icon along the sidebar or top navigation. If you're unsure, hover over each icon to see its label. You're looking for the one that says Tasks. A single click will open the Tasks area. Now click Task to view the list or board where your tasks live. This is typically the central hub where you can see task titles, statuses, due dates, and any assignments. If your workspace uses boards or folders, make sure you're in the correct one so you can see the task you want to pause. From here, locate the specific task you want to pause. If you have a long list, use the search bar or any available filters like status, assignee, or due date to narrow things down. You can also sort by recently updated or by priority to bring the most important items to the top. Take a second to double-check the task title so you don't pause the wrong one, especially if there are similarly named items. Once you've found it, press and hold the task to bring up its quick actions, then click Pause. On touch devices, a firm, long press on the task card or row should reveal the menu. On desktop, you can usually get the same options by selecting the task and looking for a three-dot menu, then choosing Pause. When you confirm the pause, you should see a clear visual indicator, often a paused label or a change in the task's status, so you know it's no longer active. A few quick tips. Pausing does not delete your task or its history. It simply halts progress and notifications until you resume. If you don't see the pause option, the task may already be paused or you might not have permission to change it. A quick refresh often helps if the menu doesn't appear right away. That's it. You've paused your task in Grok AI, keeping your workflow tidy and focused.